this, all you have to do is put your hands like this, and we will put sunshine on your shoulder. Okay, let's go, winners. And then now look at the camera. And smile.
Oh, Papa yung best friend mo. Yung kaibigan mo.
Okay, round of applause for Volunteer and Sunshine. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Sinasabi ko.
Okay, ma'am. Last question. How was the experience?
Happy and scary.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Now let me present to you the animals and the critters that made the show possible. Critter Kurt Sweet Bogart. Critter John and Critter Joga with Sunshine.